Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial in Photoshop. So today we'll create a chili typography on the image itself. So let's get started. We already have this image here. You can use any of this kind of chilies. It could be green, red, or even yellow. So for now I have used this image. Next thing what you can do is we'll just type out text. So yeah, I'll make it caps. So you can use any font and any text size. Once you have added this, just place it somewhere here. If you want, you can increase the size, or else you can even leave it to small size. That is also fine. Once you have set your text here, go to type menu, and inside that, click on rasterize type layer. Once you do that, this will be a flat image. Once you have converted this text to image, then once this is selected, go to edit menu, and inside that go to transform and click on warp. So this will create this kind of points, and you can see there are lines inside this horizontally and vertically. This same thing you can do in another way. So I'll just undo this. Once you select this, press Ctrl plus T and then right click on it, click on warp. So it will be the same thing. So both the ways is possible. This is much more easier. Once you get this, then you can see there are additional splits. What you can do is if you want additional points here somewhere, you can add it from this kind of options. So for now, once we have this by default points, let's align it. You can see you can select this point, and then you have this handles. So this handles helps us to make it smooth enough. So right now we have only 4 points here. And if you want even more, you can do that also. So currently I'm just adjusting these handles so that text comes to the edge of this chili. So one small tip, it would be better if you put this text at the very end of this chili image. Then it will give a very good effect. And once you are okay with your settings, I'll just align this. So once you are okay with your settings, you can select this or press enter. And if you want to add, by any chance, if you want to add more points or s- anything else in this, if you want to adjust. So suppose if you want to add a point here, so then this is a vertical area, then just click on this line, which is straight line vertically, and you'll get to see this kind of a line here. Just click on it. So now if you want to adjust it further from here, you can do that. So like this, you can even do it horizontally. So maybe if I select this and then click on this, so I'll get additional control over here. I can align these lines even better if required, so like this. So this is how you can use these additional splits to make this even better. So I think that for me, this is good enough right now. And once you are through with this, just select this. So we have this thing ready. I'll just adjust this slightly. I'm selecting this and slightly increasing its size. Yeah. So like this, you can even adjust it later. This looks good. So once you have this ready, what you can do is you can take a duplicate of this chili, select this image and press Ctrl J. Then select the chili text which we have rasterized. So now this is an image. Click on this center area by pressing Ctrl and you'll get this kind of a dotted line. This is basically an area where which we can use as masking. So then select a copy which we have created, copy of chili, and I'll just name it chili copy, and then click on this mask button. You can see this black dot and white area, white square and black dot inside it. Click on it. That will add. So I'll just hide this layer below this. I'll even hide this text. And now if you can see, there is this chili in masked on this image. Now what you can do is the layer below it, just select it and take the opacity somewhere around 33 or 34. So we can see this behind this as a see-through image. And then zoom it a bit, select the mask which we have created and select anything, maybe brush. And then what you can do is click on this black area. Now you'll see this white and black. So black is for adding mask and white is for revealing it. So for this, we want to reveal this area. So we'll keep it as white. And inside this, once you select this black area, you'll get this white line around this. This means this is selected. Then click and try to see if this is coming clearly. Just press and reveal this particular image. Wherever you think it's not clear, just make it clear. That means you are unmasking it. Now we don't want this center stuff. We just want the last section. So I'll just show you what has happened. Now we have already created something like this. So just to see the remaining part, we are using this as a reference, the background chili. So I am adding this additional image section also inside this text. So for that, I'm just selecting this image and unmasking this. You can open this background and just to see what is the area remaining. And then you can use a pen tool, select this particular section and just try to take a smooth line similar to this eye. And then just go to this section, select this, and then press Ctrl and enter. Now what you can do is go to this mask again. Once you get this selection, press Alt and backspace. So this will add white area on this particular image. Same thing what we are trying to do with brush, it will do the same thing. And once you get this, just Control D to unhide the dotted lines. Control plus D will unhide the dotted lines. And then unhide this last background layer. And now if you'll see, you'll get to see this text CHILI properly inside the chili image. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.